Okay, hello everybody. I wanted to finish off something we had I kind of rushed through today. We ran out of time. And it's how to use the library online for research, for a reference. So basically all I did was I went to the Sincliar homepage, I typed in the word library. You click there, and it's thinking for a moment, and it takes you right to the library. Excuse me. And basically you want to do a keyword search, okay? Full text, scholarly, and say I want to do a search, I'm going to go for social media addiction. Okay? And so I want to click there. And it takes me to something called EBSCO host. So there's a bunch of articles, and they range anywhere from 1968 to 2024. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here, right? We're going to go over here to, I'm going to click on that. I don't know why it's asking, thinking I'm a guest, right? Okay. So you want to narrow your parameters a little bit. That looks like an interesting article, right? But what you want to do is you want to go down to academic journals. It's updates. And you want to do it from like maybe you want to do it for the past like 14 years. So you go to 2010. We're still up here. I'm going to look at this article because it looks interesting. So what you would do, right, if you see an article and you want to read it and summarize it and cite it properly, is you go in here and you click on HTML full text, okay? What this is going to do is give you an electronic copy of the article. You know, I mean, and, you know, you can learn to read articles, okay? It talks about eating disorders and social media addiction, okay? Now, you saw you saw the presentation from Kathleen, you know, on the videos about how to cite work and so forth. Let's go down and look at how to cite this. Use a reference and a citation. I'm going to allow you APA formatted references, not MLA. MLA is for English classes, right? But, you know, we can use, you know, well, they don't have ASA in a way that you can get formatted reasonably. So I'm expanding. If you want to use ASA and you want to look it up, or you have, you know, a citation software, but many people don't. So what you want to do, you can do a number of things. You can look up here at this. You can put it on your OneDrive. You can move it up to your Google Drive, whatever you have. You can email it to yourself. You can save it. But the thing we want to look at is we want to cite it. So I want to click it here, right? And this is not cheating, okay? Okay, so it's going to ask you some different citation references. None of those are any good, right? Here we go. Well, okay, now that we've got a number of different citation formats, but see, what you got to do is this is APA, right? So all you do is you go down, you copy that, right? And then when you get ready to write your paper or your article, you put that in the reference section. And then you cite, you know, you'd cite it, Mustak et al., you know, and that was published in when? I'm not sure when this was published, okay? 2023, really recent, okay? So there you've got a built-in, quick, easy to use way to reference your work, because that's important to do, okay? I just wanted to share that with you, right? As a little handy shortcut for when you're working on papers. All right.